This is a 15-minute indoor walking workout. I'm going to be doing it with you in real time. The warm-up is included with the first move. So if you're ready to start walking at home, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin with move 1, which is going to simply be a basic march on the spot. So just follow along. We're going to do this for 30 seconds. The timer bar on the left with the arrow, that represents, again, 30 seconds. You've got your countdown clock, and I'm also providing you with an approximate step count throughout the workout as well. So let's just keep marching. Now you can see the next move we're going to go straight into is doing 2 side steps and just drawing the arms in at the same time. So let's step that across, go 1 and 2, and then travel that back. So again, this one, each move, we're doing 45 seconds, so we're going to keep alternating the moves. And this one here are really lovely lateral side steps. We're just activating those outer thigh muscles. And this is going to help with mobility, joint health and stability. All right, that's good, side to side. And you can see then, next move, we're just going to come back to your basic marching on the spot. So let's just bring that back and march out. So if you want to, you can take that speed up. The amount of steps, that's how many steps I'm doing. You might find you're doing slightly more steps or even slightly less, but it just gives you a rough idea. Princess Sultana is doing a lot of steps today. All right, that's good. Just keeping that going and make the most of the room that you've got. Walk around the room. So next move, we're going to do a double side step and we're just going to take both arms up and down. So let's get ready. Travel that across. So what you're doing here now, you're activating a little bit more through your upper body. You're working your shoulders, working through your arms, but also working through the upper back as well. Just always make sure you land softly with your feet. And something that I say in all my videos, always make sure you're working through your fullest range of motion. So take your arms up as high as you can and draw them down as low as you can. All right, that's good. And let's bring it straight back now to that power march. And there she's back, doing more steps, and just keep landing nice and softly. And always focus on trying to keep that upper body nice and lifted. You can fully engage your core as well. So next move, again, back to your side steps, but this one, just imagine you are cleaning windows on this one with double arms. So just take those double arms in front and just step those feet nice and wide, doing that lateral move. And it's really important, your body moves in 3 ways, moves forwards and backwards, that's considered 1. It moves sideways, the second, and the third one is rotationally. And in this workout, we're going to make sure that we include all 3. Keeping that going, that's good. And always make those moves as big as you can. So you're always working what I refer to as through your fullest range of motion. So let's just bring it back to that basic march. And remember, if you want to, you can walk forwards, walk backwards, walk around the room. The key thing is we just keep moving, keep getting that step count up. Doing well. So we'll have a look at your next move. This time now, we're going to do 2 side steps and we're just going to add in a little bend through the knees as well. So let's take it nice and low. Just imagine you're going under a hedge or a fence. So we're just going to just take that nice and deep, nice and low. So what we're doing here, we're really activating a bit more through the quadricep muscles, through the hamstrings. So we're helping with that lower body endurance. That's good. One side to the other, double move, nearly done. And let's bring that straight back to just walking in place. So we're walking on the spot, really use the arms. And you can also, if you want to make it a little bit harder, just focus on just driving those knees up, get them nice and high, use the arms. And remember, you can walk forwards, you can walk backwards, you can walk around your room. So next move coming up, we'll go back to doing that double lateral side step. And this time we'll do it with a single arm punch in front. So this one, because we're alternating quite fast with the punches, really good. This one for activating those oblique muscles through your waist. They're helping because we're doing a little bit of a tiny rotation there as well. So knees and hips facing forwards, we're just doing those little punches. And if you want to, you can step those feet out slightly wider just to make that a little bit more challenging. Let's bring it straight back now, back to that power march. And remember something that I always say, you can create your own playlist of music. So if you prefer to work out, once you're familiar with the routine, come back next time and just create a playlist of songs that takes approximately 15 minutes, and then you can listen to some music while doing this one. So next move, we're going to do a double step, and then we're taking it to 4 knee drives. So we take it double knee step, double, and now take it knee drives, then travel that back and just keep that going. So we're constantly keeping those feet moving. So that's how we're increasing that step count. And it just shows how easy it is to increase that step count at home. And keeping that going, that's good. Double knees. And the great thing is with this workout, you could even do this in your pajamas, and that is my mission as your online qualified trainer, to provide easy workouts that you can do at home. And this, as you can see, is a great way to really increase your daily step count. All right, keep landing softly. And this is a new feature, having the step counter. I found a way of creating it for you. If you do like it, let me know, because I can definitely use that in more videos that I'm going to create for you. So next one we're going to do, again, double side step, but then we're going to do a hamstring curl. So hamstring curl, and now take it double side step. So hamstring curl for 4, and then double side steps. Let's just keep that going. Whoops, see, even your trainer gets it wrong. And then bring it back. So 4 of these hamstring curls, then travel that back over. So this one here, that hamstring curl, is really good to just activate through the back of the upper thighs. So we're really helping strengthen and for endurance for the hamstrings. So now bring it straight back now to that power march. And just march that nice and fast. Keep going with the arms. March on the spot, or you can walk forwards and backwards. All right, that's good. So next move, this time now, we're going to do 2 side steps, but we're going to do a leg clap as well. So we're going to travel that across for 2. Go 1 and 2. Now hold it here, lift that leg and go for that clap. Take it 1 and 2. And then again, travel that back. And just be aware while you're doing this, just keep that upper body nice and straight for me. Nice and tall and lifted, travel that across and give me that clap, that's good. So this one here, really good for working through your thighs, plus we're really engaging those abdominal muscles as well. And bring that back. And now take it straight back just to that fast walking on the spot. Just keep marching in place, swing through the arms. Think about keeping that upper body lifted. And we are well over halfway now on this workout. So next move, we're going to go for doing a kick. So we do 2 side steps and then 2 kicks. So let's travel at 1 and 2, give me 1 kick, then the other. And now take it back. And when you're kicking, just be aware of keeping that upper body straight. So you're engaging those abdominal muscles and kick. Travel that back and now kick. So again, this is going to be really good for your stability and balance as well. So we're focusing on lots of different components of fitness, and keep using your core, engage those tummy muscles to help with your balance and stability. Take it back now to that power march. So one of the benefits of marching on the spot like this is actually it's really good for our bone health, especially sort of through the legs and the hips and your lower back, because this light little impact is really good to help strengthen and condition the bones. And obviously we're using body weight, so that's one of the best ways to really look after joint health as well as bone health. So for your next move, we're going to do 4 power punches and 2 travels. So 2 side steps, 4 power punches, 4 power punches, 2 side steps. Keeping that going. That's good. And remember, you can make this as intense as you want. If you want to make this really hard, then why not punch the arms directly up and travel those feet even faster, put more power through those punches. Travel that across, power punch. All right, well done. Let's bring it straight back now to that power march. And keep thinking, with every step you take, you are making your body stronger. Remember, always what you and I are doing is this is about investing in your future health. So for your next move, we're going to do 2 side steps and then we're going to go 4 really fast feet to get those step counts up. So let's travel that 1 and 2 and go 4 really fast feet and 1, 2, 4 really fast feet. That's good. Keeping that going. Using those arms as well, travel that across. Fast as you can, that's good. Doing really well. And again, keep that step nice and wide. So you're stepping that foot out wide. So working through those inner and outer thighs. And well done. Let's bring it straight back now just to that basic march for me. If you want to, march around the room, make the most of the room area that you've got to work in. And just think what you're doing right now. I think it's really important to understand we're not doing this to change our body. We're just doing it to look after our health. Our health is our everything. We want to look after our heart health, our joint health, our bone health, our muscular health, our metabolic health, and also our mental health. And we know exercise is so good for that. So 2 side steps, and this time we're going to go for doing those leg kicks. So you're kicking that leg in front for 4 2 side steps. 4 of those kicks and travel that back across. And the benefit of doing these kicks is it's going to really help with your core stability and for your balance and flexibility. Travel that across, give me that kick. All right, that's good. Keeping that nice and strong. And bring it straight back now, back to that fast power march for me, as fast as you can. And always try and make sure that you're landing as softly as you can. And just that's good. So for our next move, this time now we're going to travel it across and we're going to do a leg lift, but we're going to aim to take the hand towards the heel on there. So travel it across for 2. Let's go 1 and 2. Now you're lifting that leg up and just take the opposite hand to heel for 4. Travel that across, 4, 3, go 2 and 1. Travel that back. And again, focus on keeping that upper body nice and straight for me. And if you have worn a step counter, then let me know how many steps you've done in this workout, because obviously we all vary slightly. Some of us will walk faster, some will walk a little bit slower. And again, back over, 3, let's go 2 and 1. All right, well done. Bring it back into place for me now. Take it to that fast power march. So we've just got now just 1 minute, 30 seconds left. So last little bit. And what we are going to do, it's really important that we don't just stop straight away. We're going to do a lovely cool down stretch as well. So next move, we're going to do double side step, and we're just going to do that cleaning those windows. A nice move here. Full upper body move. Great for shoulder health, this one. And just step that from one side to the other, doing those double side steps. Strong, powerful arms. All right, that's good. Keeping that going. And make those moves as big as you can. And just think, you and I right now have just been investing in your future health. Travel that back from one side to the other. So next move, we're just going to bring it back now to that power march. So you can see there, timer. We're going to slowly start bringing that heart rate back down, but we've got to make sure we want to aim to reach those steps. All right, so just swing out with those arms and just keep marching. So we've got less than 20 seconds to go, and we'll try and round that off to about 2,000 steps. Remember, it might be that you've done slightly more or slightly less, but the fact is we've done a 15-minute walk at home. Just roll out those shoulders and just keep moving. That's good. And just do that little side tap. And well done. So that is the workout complete. We're now going to do a stretch. So just step 1 foot back for me. Have that hands on the bent leg. Just feel that stretch through the calf muscle. Stretching is really important because this helps prevent injury, but it also realigns your body after we've been exercising. So let's just step the opposite foot back. So it just means we're keeping everything perfectly in place. And now let's come up to standing. We do a hamstring stretch. Hands are on that bent leg. Extend the other leg in front. This works the hamstring. Have the toes lifted up so the heel's kind of digging it into the ground. And now let's bring that up to the other side. And if you do like these indoor walking workouts, I have got a new product out, which is my really fun indoor walking workout cards. So you can print these off, then you can create your own walking at home workout. So this one here, make sure that supporting leg slightly bent, feel that stretch running down the front of the thigh. And now let's take that to the opposite leg, knees slightly bent, feel that stretch. Remember, you can always use a wall for balance if you need to. And let's bring the arms in front, get that lovely stretch through the top of the back. And now take the arms behind and just feel that stretch through the front of the chest. So well done, there is your high five, and as always you and I have just invested in your future health. So have an amazing day, and I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.